Fund marketing is changing. There is an undeniable shift that is creating big stakes and huge urgency for marketing teams of financial products. Funds are now marketed over multiple digital channels: website, social, fund portals, email, events, and soon to come, robo-advisors. The viability of your marketing team is going to be measured on delivering ROI and creating alignment between sales and marketing teams, whilst remaining 100% compliant. There are going to be winners and losers. The winning marketing teams are successfully bringing all these channels together and are at the forefront of the drive to raise assets, whilst continually demonstrating ROI. The losing market teams will remain rigid in their outlook, not grasping the opportunities that the change presents. These teams tend to avoid possible loss of face by sticking to the status quo, rather than embracing change. Wouldn't it be a more efficient use of the marketing team if processes and reports were automated and clearly focused on raising and preserving AUM whilst delivering measurable ROI? The tools that we at ProFundCom have developed help the marketer bring all these channels into one place and align their activities around the sales team to provide tangible calls to action to accelerate and preserve AUM. ProFundCom has made this a reality for all our clients for the last 15 years. Request a demonstration or a conversation to be in the winning marketing team. Visit www.profundcom.net.